is never sleeping.
Happy with the recce? Didn't wreck the car too much on the recce?
The recce was a nightmare. Honestly, super long, super rough, massive rain, mud, cutting everywhere. It was a pure mess, but doesn't matter. We have to get through on a decent speed if possible.
Let's try to survive. It's a different approach over here. Every time I brake, but I do not feel the limit, and if I want to add a bit more, it's very hard to feel.
Yeah, all together, even the shakedown is getting quite rutted and a bit rough in places, so no, it's good piece of road.
Unfortunately, we got hit by some trouble in the stage, 3Ks before the finish, which made us obviously lost roughly 20 seconds. So, not the start you want, but definitely better today than tomorrow morning.
So new working loads for Thierry and new tongues, and then the mud scraper as well. Just need to see how we will fix it.
It was a good job.
Ott Tanak is our overnight leader as we head into the day, and there are the tyre choices for the crews. The Hankook tyre, the gravel tyre. As you can see, Neuville taking a predominantly soft compound with 4 softs and 2 hards.
Let's have a one. He's still smiling.
Go Hyundai!
The second is crazy because
I told him before the jump 3 times, like, not too much, not too much. You're flying like that.
And then what happened with the tire? You think
The tire.
it?
No, not that. It after that you have still this fast section.
Yeah.
You have this right left through the bushes, and then you go opposite, like more or less opposite compared to last year. And there on the straight line, something said "puff."
Ça va?
Ah, je suis frais.
Rafraîchi,
Ah,
ça
je suis
fait du
frais,
bien.
je suis tout neuf.
Voilà.
Tout neuf. 5 tires.
Yeah, first it was not completely broken. It had like it was like skipping and some drive, but now on the stage it broke completely. So it was better to take it out. Otherwise, it can damage engine or something else.
Two-wheel drive only for the final stage?
Yeah, it will be full sideways.
We are 2k before the end of the stage, Camp Moran. We had a puncture in the stage, and then we drove slowly. It was a really slow puncture, so we drove a little bit, and then at some point we had a flat tire. But actually we had the flat tire just arriving in the fish part, and it was soft, so there was no. It was all clean, but in some fish parts there was one rock inside, which we hit, and then later on here an arm has snapped, and then it broke the other one. So now we retire again for today.
I don't know if it would move just with the rear wheel, and in this condition you can go out with the two-wheel drive.
If you're outside the road, it's okay, but we need to find a way. But if you drive slowly, we can't find a way.
Let's try, because we have no other chance now.
The thing is, we need to be quick, because if the rain comes... Alex, tu crois que je peux prendre à gauche? No.
Hi!
Hello man!
How are you?
Good, and you? How can we get to the road?
How can you get to there?
To the road, to the main road.
To the main road, you can go through. You see, there's a green track over there.
One and the other.
There's a fence.
Yeah, I see the fence. Yeah.
You see the fence?
Yeah.
The green
just
path,
cut through the green path.
Yeah.
It's going to take you to the road, and then you go up. You see the white car going up?
Yeah.
Just follow it all the way to the end.
And he goes back to Naivasha?
And he goes back
To
to
the tarmac road, then you
when
go
you
down
get to the main road, when you get to the tarmac,
Turn right.
turn right, and then go down. You go all the way to Naivasha.
All the way to Naivasha?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Cheers, man.
Where are you
Thank
from?
you guys. Huh?
Where are you from?
France.
Oh, from
Amazing.
Thank you guys. Cheers. We found a way to go out of the stage. Perfect.
Because I had it was a left junction. I tried without the handbrake, and it was just pushing the front out. I was fully turned, and then the outside there was like a small bump. I went over the bump, and then boom, went. But inside was up, outside was not up.
Oh. I can imagine.
And the damper, when we are fast, and there are bumps.
Yeah.
When it's slow, it's fine, it's nice. But when you are fast.
Generally, I think today is a lot easier for the gearbox than yesterday. Yesterday, this first one was just 30 kilometers, only second gear, like super slow, no cooling, no nothing. Yeah. Today, it's generally much faster. Even the rough sections are still, you can carry the speed, so there is airflow at least.
Okay, that's it.
sleeping warrior is never sleeping.
Another painful day.
Crazy. This morning the damper were completely. Now it was working with a softer spring.
Yeah.
All them places I brake this morning I went flat.
I think I pulled the rock on the road which Kalle hit. I went off. I couldn't see, and then suddenly I see I'm on the field, and then I hit the massive rock with the front left. 2 wheels.
It was in right corner on the seat of the
Yes,
corner.
yeah.
I saw on the video.
I hit like a big rock, and, but I took it just in the middle of the tire, and we just bent the wheel, but nothing else.
But I guess it was there already with McCarlin. I saw on the video of McCarlin, but you was on the stage already.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
We need to change the water fan, the intercooler, the charge pipe, the throttle body. So really, I think when you are more or less done on the top or blocked, you can start with this pin which is broken.
Non.
Simsalabim.
Never easy. If it was easy, you would be in the car. Huh?
So far so good. A bit like this. Hoping that everything stays together.
He's okay.
All over, yeah. He's okay.
Thank you.
From the WRC Safari Rally.
Rallying never gets easy. Rallying never gets easier. But anyhow, podium guys.
Well, for the next Kenya rally, for sure, we know that we still have some weakness to address, and for the next one in Canarias, that's going to be a very different setup. But you know, we're going to have good road position still. But you know, let's not be carried away. It's 3 wins in a row for Toyota. I think in general it's still positive on the manufacturer, on the constructor championship, but still a long way to be on the driver one. So we know what we have to do, and we'll be doing it.